G'day. Surely it must be Christmas no matter where you are by now. My name's Dan, and I'm going to continue working on this White Lies Rule Set in our Christmas challenge. So what I'm going to do now is create some edit, add, delete buttons for the lists. And so I can see you've got button add, add down, edit, edit down, delete, delete down, delete confirm, and delete confirm down. So I need to create those buttons in Ruleset Wizard if I want to replace them their theme wise. So these buttons are all icons, so I'm going to add 8 icons, I think it was, and let's pick them up. Okay, so the first one we've got is button add. Then we've got button add down. Then we've got button edit and button edit down. And up next we will have, what have we got here? Button delete. Button delete down. And we've got, I think, a confirm button. Button delete confirm. Let's see, hopefully I've got those all right. Okay, my button add, name that correctly. The rest look like they might be done, so hopefully they're all good. I'm going to just close these up. Once you close them, they become available in the drop-down lists, and the list refreshes when you close one of these. Okay, so next thing that we need to add is a couple of frames for number fields. What have we got here? We created two, a grey and a black. So box num grey. And the offset on these will just be something like that. It's a pretty simple one. And then another one for box num black. And I created an errant icon over here. Let's get rid of that one. Okay, let's go back to our skills detail. Well, the other thing we want to do on this field here is it's basically a modifier field as well. So if we check our rules, action checks sometimes gear or class or skills affect roles. That affect role means to add a modifier to it. So let's go and do that. We've got some modifier stuff in our template. I'll double click. Okay. We're not going to need all of that exactly as it is, because, so let's get rid of some space in here. So n value, okay, that's its current value. S name is not get name. What we're going to do here is we're going to do local skill equals window.getDatabase node, and then we want to do sname equals node skill dot get child name dot get value. That should be about right. And we don't need to do any of this string manipulation. Modifier stack, add slot, sname, and value. And when we do the roll, it should clear the stack. There's nothing to be done at this point. So let's push that as well. And let's see how that looks. What we need to do is add a button. Set its size to 20. We want to anchor it right down here. Okay, so it's actually going to be a little bit too big for our frame here. We'll see how this actually works in practice. I'm going to get rid of the frame. We're going to get rid of the text. We're going to apply a template. Button I edit. We need some properties. Target. Skills list. We want to give it a name, and it's skills list. I edit. This name is required to be exactly as it's shown there. And so that's one. Let's lock that one in place. Let's copy it. And we'll call this one button I add. Okay, our button I add, we also still need the target. Let's see. That's going to be close to what we need it to be. We also need to add a delete or confirm button on our skills themselves. Skills detail here. Okay, so let's add another button in. Let's size it 2020. Let's find. Okay, this is at 154 and 2, so we'll put this one at 154 and 2. And we're going to get rid of the frame. We're going to get rid of the text. We're going to give it a template button I delete, and its name will be I delete, and we'll lock it. And that might be okay. I delete needs to be moved up above the bonus button. Send backwards, backwards. I'm wrong. It does actually want to be here. It's just not visible because we have removed the frame, and the frame is being set in the template, I think. Let's push this, see what we get. Okay, hold your breath. Exciting stuff. It's almost always going to be an error. Okay, so if we do plus, wow, the plus worked. If we do minus, the minus worked. Haha, we got it right. First go, pretty awesome. It doesn't often happen that way, but it's awesome. We might move these just down a couple of pixels and see how they look. But I'm going to play with that offline, finish this video up. Okay, thanks for hanging around. I'll see you again soon.